Hey, how are you?
Not bad. Thanks for having me.
What's your name?
My name is Caleb. I go by Pit Caleb. You can find me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram.
Okay,
Pit Caleb.
please, I will do that. And you got this little motorcycle?
Yeah, this is
Tell us about it.
This is a 2015 Zero SR. It has about a 100-mile range, top speed of 100 miles an hour, but it'll get from 0 to 100 faster than you can blink an eye.
Really?
Yep. If you've driven a Tesla or a Kona or any of the EVs, you know how quick they are off the line, all the torque. You have all that here, but it weighs 300 pounds, so it goes real quick.
Wow. And where do you charge it? Where's the port?
So this is come around that side. This plugs on a standard, looks like a computer plug.
Oh. And on 110, is that how
regular 110 outlet, and it returns about 15 miles per hour. So 8 hours to get a full charge, but as we know, we never go from 0 to 100.
That's right.
So 15 miles per hour. You know, this, I forgot I was coming here today. I looked at the battery charge, plugged it in, an hour later had 15 more miles, so plenty of use.
Do you have a 220?
I put a 220 in for my Model 3. I don't have a 220 charger for this motorcycle.
Is there 220 for this?
There is. So this area right here comes out, and that you can put a 220 charger into it, but it's a $3,000 option. So
we don't need that.
We don't need that. It's a motorcycle.
And then you have a Model 3 here too?
I can only drive one car at a time.
But you do have a Model 3?
I do have a Model 3.
That's awesome. That is awesome. How long do you have it?
I got this last fall, probably September, October.
Where do you get these?
I found this one on Craigslist. This is a 2015. A new one of these is going to cost you between $15,000 and $20,000, depending on what you get. This is a Zero SR that's a little bit more powerful than the standard one. I don't need the SR version. The S would be fine, but when you're on the used market, you take what you get.
Yes, that's great. So that's 15 to 20 new one.
New, yeah.
New one, 100 miles range.
Yep. No, the newer ones are probably 120, 150 miles range.
Wow. How big is the battery?
This one here is a 12.4 kilowatt hour battery. As I told you, that you can swap this top pack out with a charger. You can swap this out for a 3-point-something kilowatt battery. So I could get another 25% battery by swapping that out. I believe that's about $1,000.
Wow.
So
and the battery is right underneath.
Yeah, this is the battery right here.
Right there.
Yep.
And the motor right underneath.
The motor is right here.
Right there.
And this is belt-driven, so it's a very quiet belt-driven rear wheel.
Wow.
These bikes come standard with anti-lock brakes. The new Zero SR/F is coming out, I believe, next month. It's in production right now. It's more expensive, more powerful, faster, and it has traction control. That's the one thing this bike doesn't have. And we know with all the torque that's available, that traction control is a very valuable add-on, so that you're not losing the back tire around turns.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Really great. Thank you.